Good day, everybody. It is Tuesday, the 19th of September, 2023. Let's see what Bitcoin has today going on. Start off here on the monthly chart, see if we got any levels that are interesting. And right off the bat, looks like that one's looking good. Make that a solid line. Make another line. Yeah, right there. Another one right there. As you can see, we have reactions off of these levels right here. Can't break through, can't break through, can't break through, can't break through. Finally it does. It's also the beginning of a monthly candle right there. Comes up, hits it from below, resistance, support turned resistance. Same deal with this one here. Up and down in between it. Goes below it, pops back above, again, some resistance, and now it's holding as support. Let's go to the weekly chart, see what we see on a weekly chart. I don't know why those aren't showing up. Find out here. View these on all intervals. Now let's see what we see. There we are. We got a better look on it on the weekly chart, a little bit more detail. You can see here all the reactions it's had on these levels from below, pops through it. So for the last 6 months-ish, 27 bars, 27 weeks. For the last 6 months, we've been in a sideways range. I was saying up here that we could fall all the way down to 25K and still be in the range, and that's exactly what we did. We seem to be pulling off of it right here. Let's take a look at some moving averages. As we zoom in here, we've got some resistance right above. We got the 20, we got the 200, we got the 100 above, and the 50 is coming up from below. So quite right above us, we have a bunch of resistance in that area right there, as well as the 32,000 price resistance. We also have the resistance of that minor trend line right there. So I was saying up on this day right here, I was going to the daily, a little bit more accurate. I was saying up in here that we have a bunch of resistance right here, and if we can't get by it, we're going to be sideways to down for the next little bit, and that's exactly what happened. We went down, tried to take out lows here, got rejected deviation and away it went above. Now we're coming back up into that same resistance area again. So that's the test that's coming up here, is right in this area, similar to the weekly. We have a bunch of moving averages in this area. We've got the 50, the 200, and the 100 moving average right above us, all acting as resistance from above. We will see the way price reacts in this area right here. If price can come up and break through here and take off, then we'll have a next little while, should be good, on our way back up to the 32K level. If that doesn't happen though, if price rejects from this area, comes up into here, maybe deviates above the line and comes back down, that's what we can expect for the next little while. Price to come around in this area right here. Some things to note though, on the RSI, coming down from here, we already have broken out on the RSI ahead of time. That's a bullish signal. What else we got here? Coming up in here, you can see that we, on the weekly here, we had a, get rid of that, we had a bearish divergence right there, and that played out as we pulled away from our 32K resistance area. And then coming up here, we had rise in the RSI when it's oversold, leads to the pop up. Coming here like this, we had these closes. So the lower low had a higher low. Again, that's a bullish divergence. And then coming here though, we have a higher high on the RSI. From here to here, we have a lower high on price. This here is a bearish hidden divergence. So with all these things adding up here, I'm waiting to see how price reacts right in this area right here, and we shall see what the future holds. If it comes up here and then drops back down, play it down, back down towards the 25K level. If it breaks above here and holds, up towards the 32K level. Trading is a bunch of if-then statements. If something happens, this is what I'll do. If something else happens, this is what I'll do, over and over. So that's what I see.